duduyan natin.
Good morning to peoples. As you guys see right now, kagising ko lang. Kaya dadaling ko kayo to my daily morning routine. Actually, 7 a.m. na ngayon. Kaya inaantok pa ako. 7 a.m. na ngayon. Medyo may araw na. Supposedly, 6 a.m. dapat ako nagigising. Kaso nilalagtot ako gabi. Buong araw. Di rin ako nakapasok. Okay lang yan. It's okay to recover. To have a rest day. Para magpahinga. Just make sure na kinabukasan, kaya mo bawiin lahat. And here we are right now. We're trying to be productive. So first, early in the morning, I usually make sure na lalabas ako. So dati, we used to smoke there. Early in the morning. Tapos magbabasketball kami. Dun yung court, guys. That's a court, bro. Antok pa ako pa nita. We used to smoke here, pero I don't do it anymore. Kasi that's me before. That's my old habits, you know. Yeah. It's very important to win the first early morning of your day. Kasi if you can win your mornings, you can win your whole fucking day, bro. That's why waking up early is one of the best things that you can do. I mean, hindi naman required na sobrang aga. Like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Nagmamatter pa rin yan sa oras mo. Meron naman mga tao na sweet spot yung 7 a.m. like me. Tsaka pagigising ako ng umaga, usually kulang pa yung tulog ko. Kasi I grind the whole night hanggang madaling araw on things. Trading, editing my contents like this, planning my day, hanap ng hassle. That's very tiring, you know. Yeah, I don't usually wake up so early. Okay, okay na yung 7 a.m. bro. We're going back to my home. Okay na yan. At least medyo naarawan tayo. That's enough. Gagawin din yung tatay ko. Kaya dapat siya yun. Here we are. The best day of our lives. Ha? Tubig na? Yes. Oh shit. Well, after we walk outside, I usually read 5 pages. Hindi naman 5 pages, literal lang. It depends. Basta may binabasa ko. But I can't decide of a book right now. Ito na lang. Oh shit. Minsan kapag hindi ako nagbabasa sa umaga, either nagjo-journal ako about my trades or I journal about my day. Or sulat ko yung mga important tasks that I need to finish. One rule for you guys. Huwag kayo gigising sa umaga na wala kayong plan for the whole day. Okay? Sobrang sabog yung araw pag ginawa niyo yun. Kaya ang gawin nyo, the night pa lang, before you guys wake up tomorrow, plan your whole day output. Simula sa paggising nyo, yung pagpasok nyo ng school, yung pag-uwi nyo, planuhin nyo lahat. This is the coffee. I just finished reading the book, and I've learned one important lesson, that happiness is always a problem. See, many of us, we have that one dream that we always want to happen in our life, pero it always end up into nothing. Why? Pero most of us, we just want the results, but we don't want the struggle through the journey. Katulad ni Mark Manson, he wants to be a musician, a rock star before, pero he didn't get the dream kasi he just wanted the result. He just fantasized about being on stage, people loving him, playing the instrument, whatever instrument that he likes. And many of us want to be a successful entrepreneur, but we don't want to struggle through the journey. Most of us don't want to struggle. We don't want to grind. You know, life isn't always about sunshine and rainbows, roses and unicorns. That's why 99.9%, ano yun ang going? 99.9% of people always failing their journey. Why? They don't want to fail. They don't want to struggle in their journey. They just like the results and the outcomes of it. That's why having a system is great, and focusing into it rather than the outcome is very important to have a system rather than focusing on the result and the outcomes. We always end up in our journey, but if we have a system, if we have habits to do it every day, tatatak yung sistema ng utak mo to just do it every day. And small wins compound, so just talk it all out day by day. That's the importance of having a good habits in your life. Pero dahil tapos na tayo magbasa, check natin yung our own schedules, routines. So yeah, wake up, go outside, read book, coffee. So I need to make 2 contents today. Pero I need to end this vlog for a while because I don't have any camera to use. Maybe soon I can afford one, you know. Pero wala akong gagamitin. Ito lang yung cellphone ko. So, babush. So yun, I already made 2+ videos for this day. Kasi yung plan ko is, I'm going to upload 2 to 4 videos daily. Dati, sobrang hirap na hirap ako gawin to. Like, I was always editing for 4 hours. Para sa isang 1-minute video, you know, yung mga dati kong video, my past recent videos, yung Project Airs. Pero now, I don't know, nasasanay na ako. And most of them, I just edited for like 30 minutes. 15 minutes for like capturing my videos, recording myself, you know. Tapos 15 minutes para sa pag-edit. Yeah, here it is. I usually have batch film videos. And nilalagay ko lang siya sa Drive. I uploaded yesterday. Yeah. And, ayun. I just need to download this one. And my plan too was ayusin yung luma kong YouTube account kasi I'm uploading here before. And most of them are like videos of games and reviewing of toys. That was like 4 years ago. And this was 2 years ago. So what happened there is kaya ako tinigil to, nawala yung Kotem account ko. I think that's God saying that this spot isn't for me. And nung nawala sa akin yung account na yun 2 years ago, my life changed. I have a lot of problems. And I'm here now. I think that's God saying na that's not your life. I already finished editing 1 video. Yeah, bro. I'm editing right now. 2 videos out. I'm fucking done. Kailangan ko lang siya i-post. Something I wanna say. Hindi sa web. Repeat ako kasi alam mo paano maging mic. O ba nila ako kapantay. Ikaw nila kapapala. Sa iba ko side. Nakakahilo pala to. Tapos na ako mag-edit ng 2 video. So now I'm gonna backtest 10 to 15 trades. And now we're backtesting trades. Pero I've been learning forex trading for like a month. I want to focus first on the basics. Alright, before kasi, I tried learning a lot of concepts like ICT concepts, SMC concepts, fair value gaps, order flow, liquidity sweeps, mga things na yan. And now I'm getting analysis paralysis kasi I'm trading with a lot of confidence and I often lose more kasi sa nagpo-profit ako, you know. So, this is the result today. I have 6 wins and 4 losses. Kasi nung past days, I keep on losing more than I profit. Pero God, today is a good day because I profited a lot more than I lose. Hey bro, move the fuck away. Bro. Pangalan niya isa na guys. Asteroid Destroyer. Say hi. Asteroid Destroyer. Hey, it's time for lunch. We're going out of school. Gotta take the girls to play. Hey man. Say meow meow. Say meow meow. We're looking like guys. Good. It will. We're going to school, guys. So I was fucking late again, guys. I don't know why. Ano sana dapat na sa umaga. Lagi na all day. I have only 10 minutes before class. For my teacher arrives. No, I'm late. Naka-vlog ako man, oh. Ay ka sa vlog ko. Okay lang ako.
Pala si Aisdrena.
Paano tuturo natin?
I'm the master. A1 of learning Rubik's cubes until I beat the world record.
Yung world record ng ano ng 3x3 to 2.98 seconds. Last part.
Mani! Mani lang yan.
Mani lang yan. So yun, I'm gonna change my clothes. Ayoko talaga naka-uniform minsan. I don't know why. Pero, moody ako man. Nandito ako. Yo!
Hindi. Bakit daw ako nag-ako sa akin namin?
Oh! Ang hirap pa naman yung mga gili.
Nandito lang ako. Man, kamusta yung journey mo sa cubing, man?
Wala, di ako makagalaw.
Paano mo nasabi?
Hindi ko alam paano to eh. Naggalit siya.
Maganda kayo? Bakit kayo?
Pogi ka na yan? Pogi ka?
Tapos.
Simula nun. Halos binaksak ko na lahat ng subject ko basta maka 80 plus lang ako sa kanya.
Basta makapasa, ano?
Sabi niya,
Ay ba, binagsak to? Binagsak ko.
binaksak siya.
Ay, bagsak naman nakita.
Hindi maksak talaga siya, puto pinasa siya. Kasi mabait.
Bakit?
Kasi crush ata siya ni Pam.
Ay, ganun na.
Eh, mabait ko siya ako naman.
Hindi mabait siya, hindi ka kakilala
Mabait ka?
nun eh. Hindi ka kanya kilala eh, oo. Hindi nga niya alam ata pangalan mo eh. Nakita ka lang sa master list, pinasa ka lang eh.
Tama ba yan ganun? Oh, rebatan mo.
Wala, di marunong rumibat yan.
Fucking vlog. Ba?
Sama mo ko sa class.
Sama na. Saan tayo gagaan?
Ay, talo pa sila.
Ano tayo? Andiyan na. Ba? Magdadala na ako ng ano.
Day 1, at yun, hindi pa kami patay.
Day 1 of dealing with my shits.
Day 1!
Oh, boss. Vlogger ako, boss. Mag-vlog tayo.
Victory! May Genesis pa ano?
Hi, guys. Hello, guys.
Ito po yung mga
Burton Fluoride, right?
klase namin, nagka-trust ko, mapitrust ko ka.
Tanga, di ka ubra doon pag sinuntok ka noon, tanga. Eman po kausa. Saan tayo pupunta?
Laboratory.
Ng computer lab.
Lasensya. Computer. Engineer. Ewan ko, ano pa tawag doon?
Hindi naman tayo mag-architect, no? Pero naka-tech trap ka.
Napilitan mag-aral sa kursong di kukunin. Day 1 of this motherfucker chick.
Oh, mahuli bading. Ina mo, bading si Fran. Gaga bading ka, Fran. Ano yung bading? Mahuli bading. Bading si Frani.
Day 1 of this motherfucker teaching me how to Rubik's.
We're going there, guys.
Hello!
Tumingin.
Five apples.
Sipag mag-aral. Sipag to.
Six. 5 team.
Parang parang nagpaplano ng parang kumaute dyan
Bobombay natin yung bahay ni Baka.
Tulungan sa itaasod na pala.
Salamat. Salamat. That's the sunset, guys. That's the sunset. Yung harap ka nga. Matiksab namin. Handaan nyo na yung kopiyahan natin, man.
Okay, sabi. Tatas mo.
Search ka dyan, tingin pag ano rito.
Source
Rito. Ayun, search na. Putang ina mo. We're going home, guys. After a fucking solid day, we're finally going home. Kasya pa kaya?
Sino lang? Sampuan niya, pasok.
Yun, I'm walking alone again. Pero sometimes, there's simply times that you need to skip the enjoyment and happy part. Right now, I'm still going to the gym even if I'm tired. I need to skip hanging out with my friends even if I wanted to. I wanted to go to parties, chill night with them after class. Pero we can't Hindi naman dahil bitter tayo na tao, crazy tayong tao. Pero we have a lot of priorities and responsibilities. Kaya it's okay if your friends are hating on you kasi you're changing. Pero isipin mo naman na para din sa'yo yun. It's for your future, it's for your career, it's for your path. It's okay to sacrifice those kind of things. Right? Kasi hindi naman mawawala yun. Those popping bottles of clubs, those night hangouts with your friends sa bars, BGC, Pobla nights. Hindi mo mawawala yun. If you made it to your life, doon mo na gawin lahat. You're here. We're home, guys. So yan, before I actually go to the gym, kumakain muna ako ng maraming carbs. Pero I can eat it. Kasi I only have 10 to 15 minutes before like going to the gym. Tapos right now, PR day ko pa sa deadlift. So, bahala na si Batman mamaya. Another workout done, bro. So I have a small win today. It's deadlifting 10 kg over my last PR deadlift. Pero yun, it's important that small wins still matters, you know? Minsan kasi, we people Parang hindi nagmamatter sa atin yung mga small wins every day, but we should realize that small wins stacks up every day. It all adds up and it compounds every day. We just don't see it, and sometimes the progress isn't visible, but we need to continue life. Ayan, we're going home, bro. Post meal. Post meal. Last meal of the day. Flower. So today is a very productive day. And I've done most of the things na kailangan ko naman ng gawin. And mag-edit ulit ako. Lahat ng mga videos that I've took earlier. And bukas ko lang upload lahat. Babush!